To create this design, you need to add a cylinder with 32 words. Then S and Shift G, scale it along the X and Y axis. And then rotate it into 90 degree. Apply the rotation and apply the scale. Then go to the side face, select it and Control V, add bevel on it. Add one segment bevel. Select this face, use the insert operation. Then select these words and press J to connect them. Select these faces and then E to extrude them and move them along the x-axis. Then add one loop cut here. Then select this edge and use the set flow so you can get a curve at there. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry along the minus y-axis. Select these words and snap 3D cursor to them. Select these faces, change the transform point to 3D cursor and SX, give the value 0. And E to extrude them and move them along the x-axis. Then SX, give the value 0. Now we need to create topology for this. Control A, apply the scale. Then use the knife tool and create slant cut like this. And select this face loop and delete it. Select these faces and delete them. Select this edge and press F to fill the gap. Select everything and then press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Add one loop cut here, one loop cut here in this way. Then add one loop cut here, add one loop cut here. And then select these words and merge at last. Select this word and use the edge slide. Select this edge loop and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Select this word and merge at last. Then use the knife tool and create one cut like this. Add one loop cut here. Select these words and merge at last. And then dissolve this edge. Select this edge and Ctrl X to dissolve it. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Take the symmetry. Add one more loop cut here. And then select these words and press J to connect them. Select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Then add two loop cuts here. Then select these faces, use the insert operation, delete these faces, select this edge loop and go to the face, grid fill. Turn on the simple blending and adjust the offset. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it like this. Then select this face, snap 3D cursor to it, then Shift A, mesh, add a rounded cube. Scale it down in this way. Then select one half of the model and delete it. Then select this first object, select these words and move them along the x-axis. Then select these two objects and join them. Select this face and delete it. Select these edge loops and right click breach edge loop. Then you can add few loop cuts like this. Then use the insert operation. Then use the insert operation one more time. And press Alt S to scale it along the normal. Then use the insert operation and scale it along the normal. Then select these edge loops and Ctrl B, add bevel on them. And then hit Ctrl 2 to add the subd modifier and shade smooth it. And you will get this kind of design. And you can see the form and you can see the topology. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. See you next video. Take care.